up and be somebody. Dance without the world, take a chance on the girl you love. She's got a way of keeping it cool. It separates the space between me and the blue. And I've tried to exist in other ways than this, but everything leads back to where she is. So open your eyes before the sun parts the sky and all of your dreams are passing by. Wake up and be somebody.
Congratulations on your wedding! So, alam mo naman, mom brain tayo ngayon. So, excuse me for reading my message to you kasi baka makalimutan ko, girl. So, first of all, hindi ko ma-explain how emotional and happy we are for you today. From our high school memories, the secrets, tears, and dreams, to the moment when you are walking into forever with the man who truly loves you. Alam ko lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, and seeing you with someone who chooses you, protects you, and appreciate the woman you've become, it means the world to us. We celebrate the life of Aladdin for being there for you, for loving you the way you deserve, and for bringing so much warmth into your life. I pray that God will always be the center of your marriage, guiding you, strengthening you both, and filling your home with peace. May you both learn to leave everything to Him, the happy moments, blessings, and even the hardships that will come in your way. With God in the middle, nothing is impossible. No season is too difficult to overcome with Him. We are so proud of you, my friend. Sumakses ka sa paghahanap ng mapapangasawa sa BJMP, di ba? That's the goal. Joke lang. But kidding aside, we're thankful for all these years, we're still a part of each other's story. Cheers to a lifetime of love, grace, and God's unending goodness. We love you, Mare. Can't wait to meet and both of you next year. Bye! Congratulations! Say congratulations, Tita!
Congratulations!
Tito! Mwah!
Mwah!
Hi Ate Jillian, congratulations sa nalalapit ninyong wedding and deserve mo maging masaya after all ng lahat ng pinagdaanan mo. Na-witness ko talaga kung paano ka sinubok ng panahon, pero by God's grace, you are doing well and sana continue mo lang yung pagiging strong mo dahil may bago na kayong journey na tatahakin bilang mag-asawa and sorry hindi ako makakarating sa iyong bridal shower. Alam mo naman, December feels, yun lang. And see you soon. Bye bye, love you, good night.
Hello buds, kumusta? Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kong mag-sorry kasi hindi ako makakarating sa araw na ito buds. Pinagsabay ba naman kasi PINE at konting message lang ako para sa iyo, but sana matuwa ka naman. I love you.
Buds, sobrang happy ako for you. Finally, nahanap mo na si Tawan. Sa dami ng nag-a-admire sa iyo, at yes, may pila talaga yan. May nanalo na rin sa wakas. Champion na champion si Seth. Kahit minsan medyo extra ka sa landing, pero gusto ko yung Buds, char. Yung tipong hindi pwedeng hindi ka nag-update, hindi ka nagre-react, o hindi ka naglalambing kahit wala namang pagkakataon. Pero yun yung charm mo eh. Yun yung gustong-gusto namin sa iyo, Bats. At kahit gaano ka kakulit, alam namin kung gaano ka kabait, maalalahanin at totoo. Ikaw yung tipo ng taong magbibigay ng buong oras at buong puso. Kaya naman, hindi nakakapagtaka kung bakit sobrang deserving ka sa love story na meron ka ngayon. Isang love na marunong magpahalaga sa iyo, sumabay sa energy mo, at maka-appreciate sa namin mo.
Hello to our bride-to-be. Ayan, say hello to tita. Ate, congratulations in advance. I'm so happy for you na finally nangyayari lahat ng to. So, enjoy mo lang muna ngayon. And I'll just see you on your wedding day. No. Oh, yes. Oh, there. Tita. Okay. So, makulit. I'll just see you on your wedding day. And we love you and miss you. Bye.
Ikakasal ka na, Jillian. Ikaw ang unang baby ko eh. Wag ka magselos kay. I'm so happy you're getting married now. So I just wish you happiness and good health and good relationship with your husband. Okay? Love you, Nak.
Jawi ka no? Ura kay tur. Oh, ura tur. Hello? Hello, Apok. Jillian. Hello, Apok Jillian. Sumur ka? Di room? Oh. Makanakan maling maawatan siyan mo liniwan si Finalig namin. At saka mong takarog. I-advise ko kanhi Apok. Asita asitan MM-on. Tay nalikat si NM-on. Tay pamatoy ta. Pamatoy si tako NM-on. Kaya po sa M-on. Kaya nung society lawawin no pamatoy. So, kung siya ikararag kan Apo Diyos. Sapay ko maapo Diyos ta tulungan siya kami ang asawa ta. At siya kami siya unsumsuma. Ta naragsak kami ay mong asawa. Kaya no fumungat si asawa at si tos fumungat kung usiyam ama malon at si man nga siya naman si kanalakan iyam ama at si taos fumungat tayo mo hito de kung mo fumungat na usay finmungat tayo chuha kung taon patoy wino kung tatoy guard in sina kanan siya mo at si anak ka at si maid mga iuya so ano fungat si asawa iuya yasi nan anak ka si may fikakan ay Apok ay Jillian ay ayatek nga apo ta naka ustutahan na wacha online kan ta kadwaam si anak mo. Yasi, ang keci makanak ongor pa ang yaka han importante na pensikya yasi asita siya no pumungat na asawa asito sumungat basta iyam ama on asen mo man siya ngasen naman siya pumungpungtan ifikyam isorom nan mangiswe chak atun tapno asyak atun yasa na kanan hen asawa ay asita pumungpungat yasi no amay tahen asawa at nalagsakta ngano wache anak probleman si usa asita nalagsak so sapay ko kakaragta ko kan Apo Diyos ta nalagsak si atunyo ang asawa in kaya na tapian nyo anak yo tapian nyo Ember anak tawa si Ibana. Yasinan kanak ay apoyo. Kaysa